15 minutes on na. Okay, kasi medyo nangawi to kakadrive 4 hours. So yun. 195 pounds, 12% body fat, 46 years old, 5'9". Yan. Working out since I was 13. So basically 33 years. Yan. Ang ano ko lang is lifestyle, kain, yung pasok sa lifestyle, calorie maintenance, calorie deficit. Tapos pag nag-surplus ako, carbs, tsaka protein after workout, or carbs before workout, protein after, and then healthy fats before magbembangan. Do what works for you. Tama kayo, mali ako. Supplements available sa Supplement Kingdom: NutraPure, collagen, L-carnitine, collagen for the skin, carnitine burns fat, pampadami ng sperm count, patigas, pampataas ng testosterone, protein, nare-replace niya hindi makuha sa pagkain, creatine, nare-replace niya hindi nakuha sa pagkain pero wala siyang calories. God bless. Supplement Kingdom, NutraPure, Phyto Nutrition, Cars Legacy, baby.